Good morning. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace a sprinkler head that is sink. It should be somewhere right here, but I can't see it anymore because it's just barely. Oh, here we go. So it's about probably at least 1 inch, at least raise 1 inch, 2 inches. In order to make the spray head spray properly. First I'm gonna dig it up around it. One thing you have to be really careful. You see that cable right there? That's your internet. I think it's fiber that run through along this to your house. If you dig it up and accidentally cut it, then trouble. So you don't have internet. So be careful. Okay, I'm gonna use this. This is a 2.5 inch riser. You can trim it, cut it to make it shorter. Depends on how high you want to go. So from original point, you raise about 2 inches. So on this one, I'm gonna cut off one. That way it wouldn't be too high. So you need this tool to cut it off. And put it on. Now I'm gonna remove this. My goodness, that's water. This new head, new spray head will make okay. Oh, okay. One, two, three.
Okay.
One right here. Like you can look for, but it's very difficult. And look at this. When the glass overgrow, is even with the nozzle lifted, it's still not sprayed properly because it's too low. And sometimes it's blocked by the glass around it. So I'm gonna raise it up. Like this one is like more than 3 inches. So probably I will lift it up, maybe 2 inches would be good. Cut the glass around it a little bit, trim it up. Normally you dig everything out, but I'm gonna try with my special tool with this thing. This thing will prevent dirt from getting in to a water line. First, I'm gonna remove this. Okay. First, now you look at inside. There's nothing in there right now.
Big hole.
Yeah, big hole. So I'm gonna put this. The diameter is about. It's gonna block off prevent anything from falling in. So it's gonna plug up. Now I'm gonna remove this housing. Okay. Hopefully I can do it by hand now. Let me get ready.
Still there?
Beautiful.
That thing is still in there.
Yeah. Maybe I don't need to cut it off. I have to remove this and put this over. Now we just put this thing in. Easy, right? It's done. Now, gonna have to
Change the head.
put the new head, the pop-up. So I add the donut. You just add this donut so that way it will protect sprinkler head from glass that glowing around it. So hopefully this will work. Alright, anyway, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.